Hello students, our topic name is odd sounds. Odd sounds means different sounds. Okay. Already we have completed 5 parts for this topic. This is the sixth topic, sixth part. This is the last part of the topic. Okay. Observe the words. Public, pure, tube. What is the different sound here? How to observe? How to identify the different sound? What is the bold letter given here? U is the bold letter in these 3 words. Okay? In the word public, U is the bold letter. In the word pure, U is the bold letter. In the word tube, U is the bold letter. So, our work, our task is identify the sound of the bold letter. Next, which makes the different sound. Then we make a circle. Okay? Then we will get marks. In the examination, the words given, 6 words given, 6 sets given in the examination, we need to attempt only 4. Each set carries 1 mark. 4 ones are 4 marks. Okay, the topic points is 4 marks. It is the 19th question in our model paper. It has 4 marks. Okay, see the first one, public. U is the bold letter. Pure, U is the bold letter. In the tube also, U is the bold letter. So, in the word public, U make the sound like A sound. Public, A. Next, in the word pure, U make the sound like Oo sound. Next, in the word tube, you make the sound like U sound. So, once again, listen to me. Public, pure, tube. So, what is the different sound? Observe once again. Public, pure, tube. Public is the odd sound. Odd means different. Next one. O-N-E-1, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, O-X, ox. O is the letter O is given as the bold letter. Okay? O-N-E, one. Here, O make the sound like ba. Next, orange. In the word orange, O made the sound like A sound. Next, in the word ox, O made the sound like A sound. Here B sound, here A sound, here also A sound. One orange ox. What is the different sound? One is the different sound. Next, thorough. This, thin. Here the letters TH are given as the bold letters. Okay? Observe the sound of the letters TH. Thorough. Here TH makes the sound like Ta sound. This. In the word this, TH are making like the sound Da sound. This Da sound. Here Ta sound, here Da sound. Next, in the word thin, TH make the sound like Ta sound. Thorough, this, thin. What is the different sound? Here Ta, here Da. The answer is this. Next, cry by many. Okay? what is the letter given here as the bold letter? Y. Y is given as the bold letter in these three words. Okay, observe the sound of the word Y. Cry. In the word cry, Y makes like I. Next, in the word buy, Y makes the sound like I sound. Next, in the word many, Y makes the sound like E sound. Cry, buy, many is the odd sound. Next, pencil, catch, dance. What is the letter given here as the bold letter? C. So observe the C sound. Observe the letter C. Okay. In the word pencil, C makes the sound like sa, a sound. In the word catch, C makes the sound like K sound. In the word dance, C makes the sound like S sound. Pencil, S sound. Dance, S sound. Catch, K sound. What is the different sound here? Catch. Catch is the different sound. Next to late, bat, make. Late, bat, make. Okay. Here the letter A is given as the bold letter. Okay. We need to understand. We need to observe the sound of the letter A. Okay. Late. A makes the sound like E. Next, bat. A makes the sound like ya sound. Next, make. In the word make, A makes the sound like A. Lay, make, ya. This is the difference. Next, music, physics, basic. Here the letter S is written as the bold letter. Okay, observe the sound of the letter S in these three words. Okay, in the word music, S makes the sound like za sound. In the word physics, S makes the sound like za sound also. Here also same. Next, in the word basic, S makes the sound like S sound, sa sound. So what is the different sound here? Basic is the different. Okay. Next, B-U-R-Y, burying. C-U-R-E, cure. P-U-R-E, pure. So here the letter U is written as the bold letter. Okay. So observe the sound of the letter U. In the word bury, U makes the sound like A sound. In the word cure, U makes the sound like U sound. In the word pure, U makes the sound like U sound. So what is the different sound here? Bury, cure, pure. What is the different sound? Bury is the different sound. Next, L-O-O-T, loot, cool, flood. Here the letters O are written as the bold letters. Okay. In the word loot, woo. In the word loot, woo make the sound like oo sound. Next, cool. In the word cool, woo make the sound like oo sound. Next, flood, F-L-O-O-D, flood. In the word flood, O makes the sound like a sound. Once again observe the sounds of the words lute, cool, flood. What is the different sound? Flood. Flood is the different sound. Next, done, one ton. Done, one ton. Here, the letter O is written as the bold letter. So, we need to observe the sound of the letter O in these three words. Okay? In the word done, O make the sound like A sound. Next, in the word one, O make the sound like V sound. Va. Next, in the word tongue, O make the sound like A sound. Done, tongue. Both are the same sound words, single sound words. One is the different sound or sound. Our answer is one. Okay. Next, utter, butter, fuse. Utter, butter, fuse. In the word utter, U is the bold letter. In the word butter, U is the bold letter. In the word fuse, U is the bold letter. So, our task is observe the sound of the word, sound of the letter U in these different three words. Okay? In the word utter, you make the sound like A sound. In the word butter, you make the sound like A sound. In the word fuse, you make the sound like Oo sound. So, what is the different sound here? Utter, butter, fuse. What is the different sound? Fuse is the different sound. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much. This topic is completed in the 6 parts. Okay, thank you very much.